coming off the roof. Hi, Brewski. How are you, buddy? How are you? Oh, I wish I had half that energy. Hi, Max. Hi. Hi, Benny. Hi, buddy.
Easy, guys.
Marley. All right, Brewski, go find somebody to play with. Hi, Bunny. Come on. What are we doing in here? What are we doing? Hi, Jax. What's up? Daisy, you got some snow on your noggin. Hi, Gracie Marie. Hi, Frank.
Go save your friend.
Why are you guys hiding out in here? Is it too cold still, Piglet? Come on. Come on, Piggly Wiggly. No. Come on. Max. All right, come on, guys. Come on. Jax!
Why you barking?
Play nice, boys.
Why you barking?
Go ahead, you can go inside and warm up. Hi, why? You hiding from the camera again, huh? Hiding from the camera again. Daisy! Hi, Daisy! Hi, buddy.